Hey Strathmore, this is Lucas at Strathmore Dodge. We're having a demo sale. These two units are coming out of demo service. We have a 2019 Laramie Sport and a 2020 Sport. Laramie Sport is in black. This one is in a dark gray. Both are very well equipped, full leather interiors, heated and cooled seats. 2020 Sport has a 12-inch screen. The other unit will have a 8.4. Full panoramic sunroof, power seats. Both are a crew cab, 60/40 split, sliding rear window. This unit has a hard folding tonneau top cover. Laramie Sport has side steps installed. Leather seats with the Laramie patch. 8.4-inch screen, heated and cooled seats. This unit does have a trailer brake controller as well. And a full panoramic sunroof. Both these units are heavily discounted. Most of their factory warranty is still on them. If you're looking for a slightly used, heavily discounted truck and don't want to pay the price of new, these are the trucks for you. If you're interested in taking a test drive, come on down to Strathmore Dodge or email Lucas at strathmoredodge.com.